Hello everyone, myself Sushma C. I am working as a guest lecturer in Department of Botany, ADB First Grade College, Harapanahalli. This video is for BSc 6th semester students and here I am going to explain about test cross. Dear students, before going to know about the test cross, let us know about another type of a cross, that is back cross. When F1 individuals are crossed with one of the parents from which they were derived, then such a cross is called back cross. F1 individual can be crossed with dominant and also recessive. When F1 is crossed with the dominant parent, then no recessive individuals are obtained. When F1 hybrid is crossed with a recessive parent, then both charactered individuals are obtained. Dear students, you will going to know about this while doing monohybrid test cross and dihybrid test cross. When F1 hybrid is crossed with the recessive parent, then such a cross is called as test cross. When F1 hybrid is crossed with its recessive parent, then it is called test cross. It is so called because it is used to test the genotype of an individual. Whether the individual is heterozygous or homozygous can be detected or predicted by using this type of a cross. That's why it is called test cross. Let us know about the monohybrid test cross and dihybrid test cross by having an example. For monohybrid test cross, homozygous tall pea plant is crossed with the homozygous dwarf pea plant, then the F1 hybrid will be heterozygous tall. When this heterozygous tall F1 hybrid is crossed with the recessive parent, then it resulted in the offsprings. One is dwarf and another one is tall. So one is heterozygous dominant and another one is recessive. That means 1:1. Observe phenotype. One is tall and another one is dwarf. Observe the genotype. One is homozygous dwarf and another one is heterozygous tall. So the monohybrid test cross phenotypic ratio is 1:1 and genotypic ratio is also 1:1. For dihybrid cross, one is round yellow seeded pea plant is crossed with the wrinkled green seeded pea plant. So both are homozygous in condition. So F1 hybrid will be heterozygous round yellow seeded pea plant. When this F1 hybrid is crossed with the double recessive parent. So from F1 hybrid there are 4 possible types of gametes are produced and a double recessive parent will give only one type of a gamete. On all the possible types of fusions, the F2 generations will be like round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, wrinkled green. So different combinations. So all are different from one another, both for phenotype and also genotype. Of course, the phenotypic character is decided by the genotypes only. The phenotypic character is resulted from the genotype. So the phenotypic ratio is 1:1:1:1 and the genotypic ratio is also 1:1:1:1 for dihybrid test cross. So the phenotypic ratio of monohybrid test cross is 1:1, same for genotype, and phenotypic ratio of dihybrid test cross is 1:1:1:1 and the same for genotype. So this is about the monohybrid and dihybrid test cross. Remember, the test cross is did to know the genotype of an individual, whether it is homozygous in condition or it is heterozygous in nature. Thank you.